Golden light grazes the mustard uppers, warming the cool gray below. Here, precision meets comfort in a symphony of gloss and stone. Moving deeper, the air softens. Earth tones breathe against charcoal trim, where hidden coves cast a gentle, volumetric glow. This is not merely a room, but a serene pause, crafted for quiet moments within the urban rhythm. In the luxury minimalist kitchen, matte grays breathe under diffused light, where every seam disappears into calm. Transitioning to the warm industrial space, raw concrete meets glowing tungsten, grounding the room in earthy texture. Here, open shelves frame quiet moments, while brushed metal and mustard tones invite a slow, deliberate pause. Two distinct souls, united by precision. Morning light diffuses across pale wood, revealing clean lines and matte textures. A gentle calm settles over the beige and gray tones. In the loft, charcoal depths contrast with vibrant yellow, where industrial metals meet stone. The air feels still, grounded by natural grain and urban grit. Each surface invites a quiet moment, a breath of refined simplicity. Sunlight drifts across the coastal kitchen, where sea glass greens meet airy marble. A gentle breeze whispers through open shelves. Transitioning inward, the Zen fusion space emerges. Warm wood tones and tactile matte surfaces invite stillness. Here, symmetrical balance guides the eye, while subtle haze softens the light. Both spaces breathe, offering a serene refuge from the world outside. Light drifts gently through the space. Metro chic kitchen and artisan crafted kitchen create a quiet story of balance and grace. Walk slowly, feel the textures, and let the architecture speak.